parcel covers here. I'm well happy. I'll put this on my head. This is it. Been looking for the last 6 months now, and I've finally found one. Mrs. thinks it's parts from my drones, but little does she know. It's the Enlan Bee. A little bit squashed there. Got my hands on the Enlan Bee. It's a bit tight there. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Liner locked. The jump is very nice. The steel is awesome. HCR 3 MOV. Very well made. Oh my gosh, it's nice. Check how sharp it is. Only sharpen this. When I finish with it, it's going to be scalpel sharp. It's in very good condition for second hand. Don't think it's been used. Let's see this one. It's sharpened as well. Enlan Bee. Been after one of these for ages now. Nice. See, it's a bit stiff there, so I'll have to loosen that because it's liner lock there. There it is. It's about 5 ounces. Thanks for watching.